So, ano tong IT spend per employee? So, ito yung mini-measure yung IT investment efficiency in relation to their employee. Gaano kalaki yung ginagastos ng company per employee, no? Or in relation to their employee. Well, itong IT spend per employee, kasama daw dito yung pasweldo ng mga empleyado sa IT department. So, hindi lang yung technology. Hindi lang yung technology, hindi lang yung kuryente, hindi lang yung anong ginagamit nila, hindi lang yung internet connection, pati pala yung labor cost o yung pasweldo ng mga tao sa IT department. So, gaano ka-efficient yung kanilang IT investment in relation to their employees? Kumbaga, gaano kalaki yung ginagastos nila sa IT department per employee. No? Kumbaga, yun bang IT infrastructure nila is enough for their number of employees? Parang ganun ang lumalabas. So, importante na nalalaman natin yan. At kung ikaw ay nasa IT department, whether in charge ka sa security, in charge ka mag-maintain ng computer security, dapat ito yung nasa isip mo. Kasi isa yan sa pinakamalaking gastos ng IT department, yung security. No? Kung paano minamanage yan, paano ginagastusan yan. Dito pumapasok yung IT spend per employee. Para maging efficient ka, ito yung administrative and business side nung technical side. Kasi karamihan alam nyo yung technical side, but yung kung paano ginagastusan, minsan yun yung hindi nyo kinoconsider. O kasi sinasabihan lang kayo, pero wala kayong natural instinct kasi dun sa iba, lalo na pagbaguhan pa lang kayo. So, yun lang po.